The integer number between -3 and 2 is what? We have in number line -3 here and 2. We have -2, -1, 0, and 1. Then we will choose -2. -2 lies between -3 and 2. Choose letter C about question number 1. Question number 2. The quotient of dividing 1512 by 12 is what? We can find the quotient by using long division. Right, 1512 divided by 12. 1 divided 12, we can't do it with 0. 1 times 12, it will be 12. 15 minus 12, it will be 3, and then drop 1. 31 divided by 12, it will be 2. 2 times 12, it will be 24, and then find the difference between 31 and 24. The result will be 7, and then drop 2 here. 72 divided by 12, it will be 6. 6 times 12, it will be 72. And the quotient will be 126. This is the quotient about question number 1. Question number 3. If 135 plus or 135 equal 110 plus C, the value of C here will be 135 subtracted by 110. 5 minus 0 will be 5, 3 minus 1 will be 2, the result will be 25. Okay, the result will be 25 about this question. Question number 4. In the equation R equal 3a, the variable is space variable. The variable is what? R here we call dependent. We called it dependent, and A we called it independent. Number 5. The derivative inverse of -12, it will be +12. Question 6. Number of variables in the expression. We have 3a plus 2b plus c. We have here a, b, and c. 3 variables. The number of variables, here it will be 3. Question 7. The middle of set of data arranged ascending is called median. We call the median. The definition about median: the middle of set of data which arrange ascending or descending. We call this the median. Now question number 2. Complete the following. Number 1, negative absolute value of -24/6. We write negative outside here, and absolute value about negative will be positive, 24/6. Question number 2. The coefficient of -3/5 p power 3. -3/5, we called it its coefficient. Its coefficient will be -3/5. Question number 3. The inequality which represents y is more than if equal what? Y is more than if y more than of equal 6, more than if y more than of such that 3 equal 6. Okay, right here 3. Y is more than 3 equal 6. Y is more than 3 equal 6. Y more than 3 equals 6. Okay, write 3 here. Cancel this word off and write 3. Okay, it's wrong word here. Question number 4. The integer numbers lies between 9/4 and 24/5 is what? You want to find the number. The integer numbers lies between them. We have 9/4 and 24/5. 24/5. First, you can convert from improper to mixed number. Right, for here, 2 times 4 equal 8 and remainder 1. And this number, write 5. 4 times 5 equal 20 and remainder 4. We have 2 and 4s. And here 4 and 8s. We can write the integers between them will be 3 and 4. The numbers will be 3 and 4 lies between 2 and 4s and 4 and 8s. The integer numbers lies between 9/4 and 24/5. It will be 3 and 4. Question number 5. In the box plot, the upper quartile here, it will be what? The upper quartile, it will be 6. Question 7. The mean for all the values. We can find the mean by add all the values and divided by the number of the values, right? 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18 plus 2, it will be 20. 20 divided by 5, it will be 4. Question 7. We can determine the mean on the graph by using balance point. Finding the balance point. We can determine the mean on the graph by finding the balance point. Again, we can determine the mean on the graph by finding the balance point. Question 8. The greatest common factor for 16 and 28. 16. Using factorize this number, 16 equal 2 times 8. And 8 equal 2 times 4. And 4 equal 2 by 2. 28. 4 by 7. And 4 equal 2 by 2. We can write 16 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And 28, 2 times 2 times 7. 16 and 28. And the common prime factor between them, 2 and 2. And then we can write the remainder numbers here of factors, 2 and 2 outside here, and here 7. Then the greatest common factor will be 4. Greatest common factor between 16 and 28, it will be 4. Next question, number 3. Question number 1. The outlier for the following data, it will be what? We have 31, 32, 33, 34, and 15. 15 is the outlier. Question number 2. The statistical questions is what? What is your school name? No. How old are you? Are you having a pencil? How much money with you? We want to find the statistical questions. Statistical question has a different answer. The different answer here, how much money with you, or what is your school name, or how old are you? Are you having a pencil? It will be letter B. Question number 3. The equivalent fraction 3 over 5 is, we can product by 2, numerator and numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 5 equals 10. The result will be 6 over 10. Question number 4. Number of terms in the algebraic expression. We have 4a power 3 plus third a power 2 plus 7a plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 terms. Question number 5. All the following intervals are equal except what? 4 to 7, because we add here 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 5 equal 8. Then this intervals here was wrong. All the following intervals are equal except from 4 to 7. Choose letter B. Question 6. In the equation 5a OB, the variable b is what? 5a. Equation, okay, 5a equal b. You must cancel this 0 and write equal, because he tells us this equation. Then the variable b here dependent. Choose letter B. We called it dependent. Question 7. The mode of the values here, it will be 1, because 1 the most repeating of all values. Question number 4. Letter A. A factory for children James collected 22,200 okay, 22,200 toy car in 12 hours. How many toy cars are collected in 1 hour? We can find it by using division between two numbers. Right here 12 and 22,200 divided by 12. 22 divided by 12 here, we can write 0, and 22 divided by 12, it will be 1. 1 times 12, it will be 12. Find the difference between them. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 equal 1. Write 2 here. 102 divided by 12. We can write 12 times what? It will be nearest to 12 times 9. It will be 108. Greater than this number. And then 12 times 8. 2 times 8 equal 16. 6 and the carry up 1. 1 times 8 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. 96. Then we can write 8 outside and find the difference. It will be what? It will be 6. And then drop 0. 60 divided by 12, it will be 5. And then drop 0 again. 0 divided by 12, it will be 0. then the result will be 1850. Okay, how many toy? 1850 toy. We can find the number of toy car are collected in 1 hour, because the total collected in 12 hours. Question number 8. Find the mean and the median and the mode and the range and total value of all the following data. Okay, question letter B. First step, I will arrange all the values ascending 3 and 3, 4, 3 and 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then we can find here first the mean equal the sum of all the values, 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 12 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The sum of all values divided the number of the values. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 8 equals 30, 30 plus 12, it will be 42, divided by 7, the result will be 6. And what about median? The median will be 5, which number lies in the middle, such that arrange ascending or descending order. Then the median here, it will be 5. And what about mode? Which number is the most repeating? It will be 3. And what about range? The range here, maximum subtract by minimum, 12 subtract by 3, it will 9. And what about the Euler? The Euler, it will be the difference between them, it will be 12. We have the distance, long distance between 12 and 8. Okay, the distance it will be 4, but 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 nearest to them. In the Euler point here, it will be 12. Next question, letter C. Represent the following numbers, ascending, arrange it ascending. Okay, first I will convert from fractions here to decimal. We have 2 and negative 4s, it will be negative 0.25, and we have negative 3 and 3 over 4, 0.715, and we have negative 2. We can arrange them from left hand side to right hand side. The first number, the smalling number here, it will be negative 2, and the negative 3 first, negative 3, negative 2, negative this number, fourth, and positive this number was 3 over 4, and this number will be 2. It's the range of all the values ascending from least to greatest. Next question here, what is the number of players which total is more than 1.7? Look at this histogram, more than 1.7 here. We have this number lies between, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. The number lies between them. It's not clear with you, okay? But you must put the numbers, this interval here, the number here, this interval lies between 15 and 20. Lies between 15 and 20, okay? It will be what? 17.5, because it 5 here, and the difference or the middle between 15 and 20, it will be 17.5. What is the number of players? Okay, again I will draw it again because it's not clear. Okay, my students, I will draw it again here. We have 2 intervals. So first interval, the second interval here, and you want to find the intervals. We have here 5, or we can write here 5 and 10 and 15 and 20. So the result will be 20 because you want to find what is the number of players which total is more than 1.7. We have 0.7, so we will choose this intervals. The result will be 20 players. Okay, if you give your example here, you must do by these steps. Okay.